To create a library in SharePoint, first we can go to either the Site Contents link in the Quick Launch, or you can click the little settings gear up in the corner and choose Site Contents. Then we'll come over here to Add an App, and in Add an App, again it's going to sort it by newest. You can click Name to do it alphabetically and choose from a template here, or you can just click the most common library is a document library. If you do have unique kind of libraries such as image libraries, asset libraries, there are templates for those which contain relevant metadata such as thumbnail and URL and so on. But for this demonstration we'll just do a document library. We'll click Advanced Options and we'll give it a name, and remember we want to start off with leaving names without spaces when we name things in SharePoint. That's to preserve the URL structure and make it look more neat and uniform. So in this case I'm going to call this my doc library. Oops, and we can rename it later after we create it. You can put a description in the box. Do we want to create a version each time you edit a file in the document library? If you choose no here and change your mind later, or vice versa, you can edit that in the settings, which we'll cover in a different video. For now I'm going to say no. And then you have a choice of a document template. If you're unsure, you can just pick none. If you know for certain you're only going to store one type of document in here, you can choose a specific document template, and what that's going to do is provide you a default form with that specific application style, such as a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, etc. For right now we're just going to pick none because we want to store any type of document here. It could be a PDF, an image, a sound, a text file, anything. So with that I'm going to click Create, and my library is finished. Now I can come in here to Library Settings, and I can change the name by clicking List Name, Description, and Navigation, and now I can call it My Document Library. And if I want to display it on the Quick Launch, I can click Yes here. And now as you can see, the URL structure is preserved. It still has that clean, uniform, no spaces, no %20 in there, but the name of the library is indeed My Document Library. And that is how you create a document library in SharePoint.